How to remove background noise on TikTok voiceovers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, open your project that you have voice recorded in. Then, in here, click on the box-like icon on the right side. You'll find this kind of screen. Now, below your video, you will find your voiceover. Click on it. Then at the bottom, scroll to the left. You'll find Reduce Noise. Click on Reduce Noise. After you have done that, noise reduced, as you can see at the top, which basically removes your background noise. After that, you can simply post your video. This is how to remove background noise on TikTok voiceovers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.